Look Out for the Left Out is actually a Team Woods culture code. It's kind of the way we have hoped to live life. We're here trying to teach a deeper value of kindness, to have our eyes open, our hearts open, and our hands open so that we would see the needs of others and feel the needs of others, but also meet the needs of others by our choices. It's very special to us because it's how we've chosen to live life with all of our kids, but it's extra special because it's so deeply connected with our daughter, Calla, because it all started with her, actually.
Being Calla's third grade teacher was such a wonderful experience. I actually learned so much from her. Calla was not only a thoughtful kid, but she was a true leader. So it made the classroom and the kind of classroom you'd want to be in, because since she was a leader, the kids followed her. What they were following was kindness. What they were following was truly somebody that looked out for all the kids. You could see her going and getting kids that didn't have anyone to play with and bringing them to her. It really was such a treat, such an experience. It really did change my life as a teacher, watching somebody live out in such a huge way, but only be 8 years old.
Calla was determined to get herself to Tinka, Romania. I used to work with an organization in Romania to work with kids at risk, navigating neglect, abject poverty. And through that, learning their stories and their struggles, that's when Calla was determined to get there, to love them and serve them. And she said, "Daddy, you're taking me." And I said, "Well, if you help come up with how we pay for your plane ticket, Daddy will take you." And so that's why she started her slime shop.
So she raised the money that she needed for that plane ticket, but then she got sick that spring, was rescued in July after being such a brave and strong warrior. She was rescued, and her legacy, we haven't had to come up with anything new. She's already started it. We just get to continue it. We just never closed her slime shop. And so all of this has been something that has come together through one little 9-year-old's idea and everybody else getting behind it. And so we've raised over $167,000 to go to Romania. And that's only the beginning, because it's still going on. All of us are just loving like Calla, living like Calla, and looking out for the left out and continuing to press into that.